Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Veronica, also known as Data Geek is my name. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I drop new videos every week on tips with data analytics and their tools. Today I want to show you how to quickly pull data from Power BI. So for example, if somebody wants to see the data only from your Power BI visual, we can easily do that in 3 different methods. So the first step I'm going to show you is the one I commonly use. You go here to the left side and select Table View. Now you see all of your data. Now this works even if you want to drill down to specifics. So for example, if you want all of your data, you don't have to go and select any filters. But if you do want specific data, for example, let's go here to Country and select, let's just do USA. So we want to see sales only in the USA. So click OK. Now here on your right side, and then under here, it will say sales data. So this is my data set name. So whatever data set your name is, you're going to select it. You might even have multiple data sheets. If so, select on the data sheet that you want, right click, and simply copy table here. Then you will open up a new Excel workbook. Then you'll click on cell A1. You'll right click. And then you'll see paste options. You're going to select this one that looks like a clipboard only. And voila, there is your data set. So now you have everything. As you can see, it has country, all USA. So again, you can do this for the whole data set. Just make sure none of your filters are selected. Now for method 2, we're going to export data directly from a visual. So going back to Power BI. And again, if you're not sure how to get here, just click on Report View on the left side, and you will see your visual. So from here, you can just click on this 3 little dots. Now you can click on any visual, a bar chart, table, KPI, etc. Any visual you want. Just click on the 3 little dots in the top right corner of the visual. Select Export Data. Next, you will find your file location where you want to drop it. Then you can select Save. It's going to save as a CSV file. You might have an option to select whether you want a CSV file or an Excel file. But it's not giving me the option. So then I just hit Save. Now it's in my Documents folder called Total Sales by State. Now opening up that CSV file, you can see I have sum of sales. So it's only showing me the sum of sales, just like the visual I selected here, Total Sales by State. Now method number 3, we're going to use Power Query to extract data. This method shows how to grab the cleaned data before it even becomes a visual. Now clicking on your table view. From there, you'll click on your Home tab. Then here in the middle, Transform Data. Click Transform Data again. And now it opens up Power Query. This is your Power Query window. From here, you're going to click on your sales data set under Queries. You might have multiple. Depending on the data set you want to pull, you click on it, select it, then click on this little calendar here on the top left corner. And from there, you'll select Copy Entire Table. This copies all of your data here before it is actually cleaned. Open up your Excel file, then click on A1 cell, right click. Make sure to select this one here with the clipboard. And here is all of your data in Excel. And there you have it. You now know 3 different methods on how to pull your data set out of Power BI into Excel. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more data analytic tools and tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.